This is the Dunzy heavy duty 1.5 inch by 2 inch wood tabletop expansion bracket. See here we've got the slot, so we've got secured this into the wall here on a stud, so there's some expansion up and down, but you'll notice here there's some expansion from side to side. We're using these to secure our butcher block countertop to the wall here, but we also use it to secure it to the cabinets underneath. Allowing for expansion is really important with the butcher block countertop, and these things have been great. We've seen no warping and no issues with the countertop using these brackets here. Been really impressed with them. The slots are around about 1 inch long and they're 1/4 inch wide, allowing for ample expansion, and sliding around means you can put the screws through the center and allows it to move up and down and side to side. I put 2 in here because it's actually supporting the weight of the butcher block countertop, but because my screws are a little bit thinner than the 1/4 inch, I've got movement up here, in and out and side to side, which I really like. 90-degree bend up here. These things are solid. I tried bending one before I put it on and it did not budge. So if you need a good expansion bracket for putting on a tabletop or counters like I am here, I really recommend you get these Dunzy heavy duty brackets. You won't be disappointed. They work really well, really easy to install, and I've been really impressed with the quality of them so far.